Understanding, keep me in sync. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we simplify English phrases for you. Today, we're diving into a very interesting expression, keep me in sync. This phrase is widely used in both professional and personal settings, but what does it really mean? Stay with us as we explore its meaning, usage, and how you can incorporate it into your conversations effectively. The phrase, keep me in sync, is made up of a few key components. First, keep suggests maintaining a condition or continuing an action. Me refers to the speaker or the person asking to be kept in a certain state. And in sync is where it gets interesting. It means being in agreement, harmony, or simultaneous operation with something or someone else. So, when someone says, keep me in sync, they're essentially asking to be kept informed, updated, or aligned with what's happening. Being in sync is crucial in many aspects of life. In a work environment, it ensures that team members are aware of the latest developments, preventing misunderstandings and mistakes. In personal relationships, it helps people stay connected and understand each other's needs and situations. This phrase embodies the desire for clear communication and the importance of staying informed. You can use keep me in sync in various contexts. Here are a few examples. In a professional setting, as you move forward with the project, please keep me in sync with any updates or changes. Among friends, I know you're going through a lot right now. Please keep me in sync about how you're feeling or if you need anything. In a family context, I'll be out of town next week. Let's keep each other in sync about our plans and any changes at home. These examples show how versatile the phrase is, fitting seamlessly into different conversations and situations. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of keep me in sync. It's a powerful expression that highlights the importance of communication and staying informed. Whether you're working on a team project, maintaining a friendship, or keeping family members updated, using this phrase can significantly enhance understanding and cooperation. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to keep in sync with our channel for more English language learning tips. See you in the next video.